Fiber optic cable is the most advanced form of internet for your business. Everyone knows slow internet access can cripple your business. Fiber optic internet is 20 times faster than other forms of internet access. It allows your staff and infrastructure to run smoothly with little to no lag. Here are 3 common pitfalls to avoid before installing fiber optic internet. Number 1. Bent cables. Fiber optic cables transmit pulses of light. Bend cables too tightly and you can lose data transmission speeds. Number 2. Stretched cables. Fiber optic cables are very rugged, but your installers must know not to pull on the cables too hard. If stretched during installation, you will not see the full benefits of fiber optic internet. Number 3. Too much vertical rise. Fiber optic cables are limited in their vertical rise by their tensile strength and weight. Your installers must be aware of how high they can run your fiber internet, especially in office towers. In-Network Telecom is a company that helps businesses like yours find the right fiber optic provider. We work with all of the major fiber optic providers and find the one that best suits your needs. The best part is our services are free of charge to you. We are fully compensated by the fiber optic providers we represent. We can help you get the best fiber optic internet for your business. Call us today.